Flight attendants use standardized codes to communicate emergencies without causing passenger panic. These aren't secret panic codes. They're professional communication protocols designed to coordinate responses while maintaining cabin safety and passenger confidence. This isn't about mysterious signals or hidden dangers. This is about understanding how aviation professionals maintain safety through clear communication while managing passenger psychology during both routine operations and emergency situations. The protocols flight attendants use represent decades of aviation safety development, designed to ensure effective coordination while preventing the panic that can turn manageable situations into disasters. Flight attendants operate within established communication frameworks that prioritize clarity and passenger management. IATA standard procedures. The International Air Transport Association provides standardized communication protocols used across airlines worldwide. These ensure that cabin crew can coordinate effectively regardless of airline or aircraft type. Airline-specific protocols. Each airline develops specific communication procedures that build upon international standards while addressing their operational requirements and fleet characteristics. Emergency response coordination. Communication protocols are designed to enable rapid coordination between cabin crew, flight crew, and ground support while maintaining passenger confidence. Most flight attendant communications involve routine operational coordination. Service coordination. Flight attendants use specific terminology to coordinate meal service, passenger requests, and cabin preparation without confusing passengers with technical jargon. Safety equipment checks. Pre-flight safety equipment verification involves standardized communication to ensure all systems are properly checked and reported. Passenger management. Crew members communicate about passenger needs, special assistance requirements, and seating arrangements using established protocols. Flight attendants follow specific communication protocols for medical emergencies. Medical assessment communication. When passengers experience medical issues, cabin crew use standardized terminology to assess situations and coordinate responses without alarming other passengers. Professional medical assistance. Flight attendants are trained to identify and communicate with medical professionals among passengers, using specific procedures to request assistance while maintaining patient privacy. Ground coordination. Medical emergencies require communication with ground medical services, pilots, and airline operations centers using established protocols that ensure appropriate response. Flight attendants use professional communication methods to manage challenging passenger situations. De-escalation protocols. Cabin crew are trained in specific communication techniques designed to calm aggressive or disruptive passengers while maintaining safety. Crew coordination. When dealing with disruptive behavior, flight attendants use established signals and communication methods to coordinate responses and ensure passenger and crew safety. Documentation procedures. Incidents requiring documentation follow specific communication protocols to ensure accurate reporting while maintaining operational safety. Aviation security involves specific communication protocols. Threat assessment. Flight attendants are trained to recognize and communicate potential security concerns using established procedures that coordinate appropriate responses. Law enforcement coordination. When security issues require law enforcement involvement, cabin crew follow specific communication protocols to coordinate with authorities. Passenger safety management. Security situations require careful communication to maintain passenger confidence while ensuring appropriate safety measures. Emergency evacuations require precise communication coordination. Evacuation commands. Flight attendants use specific, loud, clear commands during evacuations that are designed to direct passenger movement efficiently while preventing panic. Crew coordination. Emergency evacuations require tight coordination between cabin crew members using established communication protocols that ensure all evacuation procedures are properly executed. Passenger direction. Evacuation communication is designed to provide clear, actionable instructions that help passengers respond appropriately during high-stress situations. Modern aircraft include communication systems that support cabin crew coordination. Interphone systems. Aircraft interphone systems allow cabin crew to communicate privately with each other and with the flight crew using standardized procedures. Call systems. Passenger call systems and crew alert systems follow established protocols that enable appropriate responses to various situations. Ground communication. Modern aircraft communication systems allow cabin crew to coordinate with ground support services when necessary. Flight attendant communication training ensures consistent application of protocols. Initial training. All flight attendants receive comprehensive training in communication protocols as part of their certification requirements. Recurrent training. Regular training updates ensure that communication protocols remain current with industry standards and airline procedures. Cross-training. Flight attendants are trained to work effectively with crew members from different airlines when necessary, using standardized communication protocols. Communication protocols consider passenger psychological responses. Confidence maintenance. Flight attendant communication is designed to maintain passenger confidence while addressing operational and safety requirements. Information management. Cabin crew are trained to provide appropriate information to passengers while avoiding details that might cause unnecessary anxiety. Cultural sensitivity. Communication protocols account for cultural differences in passenger populations and communication expectations. Aviation communication protocols enable coordination across international boundaries. Language standards. International aviation uses English as the standard communication language, ensuring coordination across different countries and airlines. Cultural adaptation. Communication protocols are adapted for different cultural contexts while maintaining safety and operational effectiveness. Regulatory compliance. Flight attendant communication must comply with regulations in different countries while maintaining operational consistency. Flight attendant communication skills continue to evolve. Best practices. Airlines continuously develop and refine communication protocols based on operational experience and safety research. Technology integration. New communication technologies are integrated into established protocols to improve effectiveness while maintaining safety. Industry collaboration. Airlines and aviation organizations collaborate to develop and improve communication standards across the industry. Understanding flight attendant communication protocols can benefit passengers. Cooperation enhancement. Passengers who understand communication protocols can respond more effectively to crew instructions during various situations. Anxiety reduction. Knowledge of standard procedures can reduce passenger anxiety by providing context for crew communications and actions. Safety participation. Informed passengers can participate more effectively in safety procedures and emergency responses. Flight attendant communication represents professional aviation safety management rather than secretive or alarming procedures. These protocols are designed to ensure safety. All communication protocols prioritize passenger and crew safety above other considerations. Maintain order. Effective communication helps maintain calm, orderly cabin environments that enhance safety and passenger comfort. Enable coordination. Standardized protocols ensure that aviation professionals can work together effectively regardless of their specific backgrounds or airlines. Support passengers. Communication protocols are designed to support passenger needs while maintaining operational effectiveness. The next time you fly, remember that flight attendant communications represent decades of aviation safety development designed to ensure your journey is as safe and comfortable as possible. These professionals use established protocols not to hide information from passengers, but to coordinate effectively while managing the complex requirements of modern air travel. Flight attendant communication protocols demonstrate the aviation industry's commitment to safety through professional coordination, passenger management, and continuous improvement based on operational experience and safety research.